Welcome to Dataloop, a powerful AI data infrastructure platform designed to help companies build, manage, and deploy AI models faster and more efficiently. Whether you're a data engineer, scientist, software developer, or just curious about how AI teams manage massive data pipelines, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about Dataloop's platform, including its key features, tools, and who it's built for. Let's get started in this navigation bar. When you hover over the Platform tab at the top, you'll see 7 important buttons. Each one represents a key building block of Dataloop's infrastructure. Let's break them down. Starting off with data, this section allows you to connect and manage your data, no matter where it lives, on premise, in the cloud, or across multiple storage services. Dataloop supports seamless integration with data warehouses, object storage like AWS S3 or Google Cloud, and even real-time streaming sources. Once your data is connected, you can easily label, structure, and monitor it in one unified platform. Build anything with Dataloop. Now let's move on and go to our models. The Models section gives you tools to integrate and manage machine learning models. You can bring your own models or use pre-trained ones. It supports various frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and more, allowing you to evaluate model performance, retrain with update data, and fine-tune for higher accuracy. The goal here is to close the loop between data and model performance using real-time feedback. So as you can see, once we scroll through here, like through each of these tabs, it actually shows us a lot of detailed explanations on what each one does and what they're good for. As you can see in the models, you have the marketplace, you can bring in your own models, and you have an annotation studio where you can annotate and do whatever you like with your models. Now let's move on to pipelines, compose, and persist. Pipelines are where you build your automated workflows. Everything from labeling to training to validation. Basically, think of this as your AI assembly line. Each stage can be customized, monitored, and reused. Build AI faster, automate it, and run smoothly. It's especially powerful for scaling tasks like data annotation, automated quality control, or model training. Here you have one space for everyone, pre-built pipeline templates, and event-based automation. The next one we have is application, reusable functions and apps. In this section, you can build or install many applications that extend the Dataloop platform. These apps could be used for custom labeling tools, analytic dashboards, or integration with other services. Everything is modular, so teams can develop once and reuse across projects, saving both time and effort. Build apps faster, manage your AI in one place, focus on building, not setup. So, that's pretty much it for our applications. Now let's move on to human feedback. Keep the human in the loop. This is one of Dataloop's biggest strengths. AI isn't perfect, so this feature lets you add human reviewers into workflow. You can build pipelines where humans validate or connect model outputs, ensuring the AI continues to learn from human insights. Better annotations faster, put in the human in the loop, make annotators more productive. It's essential for tasks like labeling edge cases or applying reinforcement learning from human feedback. Now we have our marketplace, pre-created AI workflows. The marketplace offers pre-built components, workflows, and integrations that you can plug into your projects right away. Use the latest in AI technology, get to production faster, and rely on a single AI platform. Whether it's a data labeling recipe, a pre-trained model, or a custom tool for autonomous vehicles or healthcare, you'll find ready-to-go solutions to accelerate your development process. And lastly, we have security. Enterprise-grade protection. While not explained on the site, Dataloop offers robust security measures. You get role-based access control, data encryption in transit and at rest, audit logs, and full compliance with enterprise-grade standards like GDPR and SOC 2. This ensures your data and AI models are protected, scalable, and enterprise-ready. So those are all of the 7 buttons under our platform tab. Now let's take a look at our solutions, which we have 2 sections of. Basically, the Solutions tab is where Dataloop organizes its valuable propositions into 2 sections: Role and Use Cases. Under Role, you have AI and Data Leader. This is for executives or directors leading AI strategy. Dataloop helps them operationalize AI faster, reduce costs, and ensure scalable deployment across teams. Data engineer. Data engineers use Dataloop to manage pipelines, clean datasets, and streamline storage and access. The platform supports automation, version control, and easy scaling. Data scientist. For data scientists, Dataloop simplifies model training, annotation workflows, and feedback loops. It enables experimentation while maintaining high quality data streams. Software engineer. Software developers benefit from APIs and SDKs that make it easy to integrate Dataloop with internal tools, third party systems, and CI CD pipelines. And finally, we have human reviewer. For people doing manual labeling or validation, Dataloop provides intuitive UIs, annotation tools, and collaboration features to make the process efficient and consistent. So those are all for our role. Now let's move on to use cases. Active learning workflow. This is about using model predictions to prioritize which data should be labeled. Next, improving learning efficiency with fewer labels. Validating Gen AI, RLHF, and RLAF. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF, or AI feedback, RLAF, is essential in fine tuning generative AI models. Dataloop provides the infrastructure to collect this feedback in real time. Running in AI production. This use case is about managing the full AI lifecycle, from data to deployment. Dataloop ensures that once your model is trained, it can run reliably at scale. Building a Gen AI stack. If you're building with LLMs or other generative tools, Dataloop helps you create the data pipelines and feedback loops that Gen AI systems need to improve. Multi cloud AI compute. Run workloads across AWS, GCP, Azure, or on prem infrastructure. Dataloop gives you flexibility and cost control access compute environments. Building AI agents. Dataloop supports the infrastructure for training agents that make decisions, learn from interactions, and adapt over time, ideal for robotics. Automation and simulations. Building RAG workflows. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Dataloop helps connect knowledge bases with generative models to produce smarter, context aware outputs. Think DevOps, but for data. Dataloop enables version control, monitoring, and collaboration around datasets, ensuring your data is always production ready. LiDAR. For companies working with 3D point cloud data, especially in autonomous driving or surveying, Dataloop supports annotation and processing of LiDAR datasets natively. So, now let's move on to the other tabs. For developers, basically, this gives you access to documentation, SDKs, APIs, and developer guides. It's perfect for building custom apps and integrating Dataloop with your existing tools. Company. Here, it includes information about Dataloop's teams, missions, careers, and news. It's where you learn or go to learn about their values and leadership. Finally, we have resources. This offers blog posts, case studies, white papers, and webinars. Great for staying up to date and learning how others are using the platform. Basically, to sum it all up, Dataloop.ai is a complete AI data infrastructure platform designed to help teams handle the messy, complex work of preparing and managing data for machine learning. It provides everything from data connections and labeling tools, custom workflows and automation pipelines, human in the loop systems, pre built AI workflows and secure collaboration, and support for both structured and unstructured data. So, who is it for? Dataloop is built for enterprises and AI teams, including data scientists, engineers, developers, and project leaders who want to accelerate their AI development and bring models to production faster and more reliably. Whether you're working in autonomous driving, retail, healthcare, or Gen AI research, Dataloop provides the tools and infrastructure to make your data AI ready. And that's pretty much it for today's walkthrough of Dataloop AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.